air straight?
No. What have you done to your bike since the last time we spoke?
Well, I decided to fit the Denali CanSmart, which is a electrical controller that links to the bike through the CAN bus system, and then it allows you to control your accessories like lights and horn with the switches already on the motorbike. So you've got no switches to add on or nothing like that.
So if you install, I mean, you got the guys at Chain Speed to install it, didn't you?
Yes.
Do you think it's something you could do yourself quite easily?
I think so. I think it's what Denali have done. They've asked Easycam to make this, I think, for them and configure it. So they wanted dominance on the lights. So you get, with the CanSmart, you get two sets of lights which you can not only switch off, but you can dim as well. To make it flash to pass, which they call it, I think, is we pull the I-beam switch in 3 times very quickly, and then
show me how you do it. Okay, and that one then flash the lights.
Yes.
Right. So that's
all it is.
So where is it? Just that little bit.
Just this.
Just that little bit there. That's compact, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's the only bits you've actually bolted extra are the Denali lights on the front, aren't they? And those 2 strips on the back.
Yeah.
They're from eBay at the back of the factory, aren't they?
Yes, I sent for the 2 strip lights from eBay. That was only cheap.
I mean, they're only about 12 quid, weren't they?
Yes.
And that's probably because the Wi-Fi watch is the only cost we'll mention on this whole thing.
But what I was going to say is that obviously install the CanSmart, and it allowed me to put some Denali D4s on the front, and also connect my Barkbuster lights in, which are controlled by that as well. So
when you're driving now, effectively nobody can be in front of you because they can't see where they're going because of the glare from their mirrors. I've got to emphasise this because you've got the Denalis there. They're horrendously bright on their own, and just below those you've got the BMW LED headlights.
Yes.
Then you've got the LED headlight. Then you've got the Barkbusters as well. So what's
people will
that?
love this.
4,
This is what
6,
bikes are all about.
8. So you've got 9 to 10. Got 9 to 10 lights on the front.
This is what bikes are all about. You've got to be seen on, and the good thing, joking apart, they can be controlled. So you can either turn them off altogether. If I'm following you.
Absolutely. Yeah. There's nothing like installing a few hundred quid's worth of lights and turning them off.
But the important part about it is when you've got full on the when you connected the computer to the Easycam. You can
CanSmart, you mean?
CanSmart, sorry. You can go onto the software on your computer and then set all your intensity of your lights for daytime running, and then obviously as the sensor picks up the dusk is coming, they'll dip even more because it's getting darker, so you don't want to blind anybody. And then what else we got? We got the horn.
That horn is horrendously loud.
The horn is coupled into the CanSmart as well, and it also allows you to keep the original horn, so you don't get any fault codes coming up.
Just for the avoidance of doubt though, Dave, the next time you test it to show me, don't do it when we're in a bird sanctuary.
That got him into flights. What do you want?
Wasn't the brightest thing to do, I have to say. It was quite early in the morning. Bit of a rare morning for me this morning. I've actually been following Dave on the bike rather than the other way around. It's been quite nice, I have to say. Taking all the stresses away, just pootling along behind him. One of the main reasons I can't go in front of him is because I can't actually see where I'm going because of his new lights.
I know the roads are a little bit slippy and a bit wet, but obviously I suppose it must kill you following me. A bit of a nervous leader.
No, it's lovely. Bike. No, I think I've only seen you wipe out nearly a couple of times. The lady on
the last big island. I think I was in the. Did somebody beat me? Or?
Yeah, you did get parked. I've got that on video too. I might put that on there just to amuse people.
There's about 6 lanes around that island, and I haven't got a clue which lane we were supposed to be in. I couldn't remember where it was, whether it was the next one on or not.
And you nearly sideswiped the lady on the roundabout on the way out as well. It's a good job I'm not observing you for any sort of IAM test or anything. But never mind. All good fun. It's a nice road this morning, wasn't it? It's, I have to say, all bikers out there, get up and get out early before the tin cans get on the road, and it's much more interesting.
Yeah, and, so we've had some empty roads anyway. So.
Yeah. You can't beat a good sunrise.
Is my hair straight?
No, not really.